Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have studied about weather and climate. Today, we will discuss about climate and adaptation. Climate has profound effect on all living organism. Animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. In class 6, you have read about adaptation of animal to certain habitats. As example of adaptation of animal to climatic condition, we discuss only animals living in polar region and tropical rainforest. Polar region that belongs to North Pole and South Pole region. The polar region present in extreme climate. These regions are covered with snow. It is very cold for most part of year. For 6 months sun does not set at pole, while for other 6 months sun does not rise. In winter temperature can be as low as minus 37 degree Celsius. Animal living there have adapted to these severe conditions. Let us see how they are adapted by considering example of polar bear and penguin. See the picture of polar bear. It has some special feature which help him to survive in polar region. First of all, it has white fur that is not easily visible in snowy white background, so its predator and prey are unable to see it. It has two thick layer of fur. These keep it warm in cold weather, and it has a layer of fat under its skin. The fat insulate its body from cold and keep it warm. It also has a very strong sense of smell. It helps a bear to locate and catch its prey. And it has long, curved, and sharp claws that these help it to walk on ice. So these are some special features in polar bear so that polar bear can survive in polar region. Another well-known animal living in polar region is penguin. It is also white and merged well with white background. It also has thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. You may have seen picture of penguin huddled together. This they do to keep warm. Like polar bear, penguins are also good swimmer. Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have flaps, making them good swimmer. Other animals living in polar region are many type of fishes, musk, oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales and birds. It is to be noted that while fish can remain under cold water for long time, bird must remain warm to survive. They migrate to warmer region when winter set in. They come back up after winter is over. You know probably that India is one of destination of many of these birds. You must have seen or heard about Siberian crane that come from Siberia to place like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana and some wetland of north, east and some other part of India. Next topic is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest has generally hot climate because of its location around equator. Even in coldest month, temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. During hot summer, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Day and night are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghat, Assam in India, and Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, these regions sports wide variety of plants and animals. The major types of animal living in rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tiger, elephant, leopard, lizards, snakes, birds and insects. Let us read about the adaptation of these animals to hot and humid climate. The climatic condition in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and variety of animals. Since number are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to living on tree. Red-eyed frog has developed sticky pad on its feet to help it climb tree on which it live, and to help them live on tree. Monkeys have long tailed for grasping branches and their hands are such that they can easily hold on to branches. This is red eye frog and this is long tail monkey. As there is competition for food, some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. A striking example is that of bird toucan, which possess a long, large beak. This helps to toucan to reach a fruit on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. See, this is toucan. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color which help them to camouflage by blending with surrounding. This is to protect them from predator. The lion-tailed macaque live in rainforest of Western Ghat. Its most outstanding feature is silver-white mane, which surround the head from cheek down to its chin. It is a good climber and spends a major part of life on tree. It feeds mainly on fruit. It also eats seeds, young leaves, stem, flower, and birds. See, this is lion-tailed macaque. And since it is able to get sufficient food on its tree, it's rarely come down on earth. Another well-known animals of Indian tropical rainforest is elephant. See, this is elephant. It has adapted to condition of rainforest in many remarkable way. Look at its trunk. It uses it as nose, because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food, and moreover its tusks are modified teeth, and these can tear the bark of tree that elephant loves to eat. So elephant is able to handle competition for food rather well. Large ear of elements help it to hear even very soft sound. They also help elephant to keep cool in hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Now I hope all of you are able to understand how the animal can easily survive in such severe climatic condition. Tomorrow we will send a PDF related to question answer of this lesson. All of you have to note down this question answer into your fair notebook. Thank you.